email template settings. As you know, Petpooja inventory allows you to send emails of documents such as purchase order, sales bill, purchase bills, etc. This email goes in a particular format. Let us see how can you manage and edit this format. To begin, you'll have to log on to your owner's dashboard and then go to inventory section. Under inventory, you'll find the heading for email template settings. As you can see on the right hand side, this is my emails preview. This is the subject line, this is the body, and this is the footer. Along with the footer, we have a presence of logo. In case you want to change the header color, which is this color, you can click here and choose your color. Right now we'll be keeping it red and then click on save. After that, if you want to add a logo, you can click here and choose your file. The only thing that you should take care of is that the maximum file size allowed for logo is 2 MB and these are the formats. Third box is for the email addresses. The email which will be sent to the vendor or to any party will be going from a common email ID. But this particular address will be mentioned in the footer. So the receiver knows that this person is sending me the email. If you'd like to add a common CC to all your emails, you can do it here. And the same goes for BCC. CC stands for carbon copy and BCC stands for blind carbon copy. In some of the cases, a manager always keeps his senior authority in CC. So if something like that has to be done, you can mention multiple emails here and all of the emails will have them as the CC or the BCC. I have already kept open an email to show you how does the email look. As you can see here, this is the subject line. The email comes from Petpooja inventory. The email ID is noreply@petpooja.com. This is the body. Right now you don't have the option to edit the body. And the purchase order or any of the documents will be attached like so. The sender's email ID is mentioned here. This is all about email template settings in Petpooja inventory. Thank you.